The KitchenAid Stand Mixer has 3 standard tools that can help with any recipe. First up, the flat beater. This is the workhorse, ready to take on heavy mixing jobs like cakes, frostings, cookie dough, meatloaf, or mashed potatoes. Coated aluminum and stainless steel flat beaters are dishwasher safe. Some mixers come with a burnished aluminum beater, which isn't as shiny as stainless steel. It should be hand washed. You can also upgrade to the Flex Edge beater. Same mixing power, but the flexible silicone edge scrapes the side of the bowl as it spins. It's helpful with ingredients like cream cheese, nut butters, or honey. Ready to whip? Grab the wire whip for incorporating air into eggs or egg whites, whipping cream, or mayonnaise. This one should be hand washed too. The wires are stainless steel, but the hub is burnished aluminum and will get damaged in the dishwasher. Finally, for you bread bakers, the dough hook. Most mixer models come with KitchenAid's original hook style, the C dough hook. The kneading action is against the side of the bowl. If you're using a larger capacity mixer, like a Pro Line or commercial stand mixer, it will come with the Power Knead spiral dough hook. The corkscrew shape works by pressing the dough off the bottom of the mixing bowl, mimicking hand kneading. Just like the flat beater, coated in stainless steel are dishwasher safe, but burnished aluminum should be hand washed. When in doubt, check your use and care guide for specific instructions. Don't mix and match dough hooks though. It's designed to work with your mixer and bowl shape, and using the wrong one could damage your mixer. After you master these tools, unlock all that your mixer can do with the Power Hub attachments.